Black & Decker Workmate. The bottom line is this thing is so versatile. You can use it in your shop. You can put it on a stand and roll it around. I had picked this up at a garage sale. If I ever find any more of them, I'll buy every single one of them. We are going to refurbish this old Black & Decker Workmate 300. I'm going to replace these particle boards with some white oak. I am going to lay this on top of these, drill through, is the plan anyway. I may have to go ahead and mark them. Not really sure yet. We'll figure that out when we get there. So this front set's a little bit different than that back set. I get a lot of satisfaction when I find something like this. Get it rejuvenated, fix it up, turn it into a nice looking functional piece of shop equipment. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up the holes in this one, and then after I drill this up, I'm just going to drill this right into the other board. This bolt is threading into a linkage on this jack screw on this side, and the other side, the nuts are self-retained. There's only 4 bolts total in this, and I'm closing this gap down here before I snug these down. I just didn't want to bind anything. I took my sweet time doing this, used sawmill lumber. I wanted to use oak. You could do it quicker with store-bought lumber, but I didn't want to go that route. It took probably about 3 hours, maybe 4. I ran these through my planer. I'm putting some tung oil on them. I think I used 180 grit. Not too shabby. This Black & Decker Workmate is super versatile. I had to go ahead and fix this top. It is a fantastic, useful tool for the shop. If you like doing DIY woodworking or just need a handy workbench, this is perfect. You know, you can clamp. It's got it all.